How to put the same song on multiple Instagram stories. First, open your Instagram app and click the Create button on the lower part of your screen and click Story. Then select multiple pictures that you will use in your Instagram story. After clicking Next, you should be able to see Super Sync. But this feature depends on the country that you are in, if it will be available or not. Also, take note that Instagram may have removed this feature, so you will not be able to use it. Instead, we can use another option, which is the layout, and just insert a music that you would like to put in your story. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.